How to use rental properties to create wealth for future generations. Welcome to lesson on building generational wealth through rental properties. Today, we'll discuss the fundamentals of rental property investing and how it can lead to long-lasting financial success. Let's get started. The power of rental properties. Rental properties provide passive income, property appreciation, and tax advantages, making them an excellent vehicle for building generational wealth. Choosing the right market. Research local markets to find areas with strong rental demand, steady employment growth, and potential for property appreciation. Consider factors like local amenities, schools, and transportation access. Identifying profitable properties. Look for properties with strong cash flow potential and value-add opportunities. Assess property value, rental income, and expenses like property management, maintenance, and vacancy rates. Financing your investments. Understand different financing options, such as traditional mortgages, private money loans, and seller financing. Leverage other people's money to grow your portfolio and increase your returns. Managing your properties. Effective property management is key to maximizing your rental property returns. Attract and retain high-quality tenants, handle maintenance and repairs, and stay compliant with local laws and regulations. Scaling your portfolio. Develop a plan to expand your rental property portfolio over time. Reinvest rental income and property equity into new acquisitions. Diversify your investments, and optimize your portfolio's performance. That's a wrap for our introduction to building generational wealth through rental properties. Remember, the key to success is patience, persistence, and ongoing education. Keep learning, and watch your rental property empire grow. See you in the next lesson. You got this. Like, subscribe and share. www.afishertrust.com